Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the NestJs tutorials. Today we are going to learn how to send emails via NestJs using the node mailer. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So first of all, go to the directory HTML, and my project is basically nest folder. So here we need to create a new project. Okay, so for that one we need to add the command like nest. I want to create a new project with the name email, or you can say mail. Okay, nest will create that. Yeah, npm. Okay, this is installation is in progress. Okay, moving to the next step, we have to install these two dependencies, that is NestJS modules mailer node mailer. Okay, so these two required, so we need to install this one. So after completion of that one, so it's done. So go to the directory first, cd mail. Okay, so we are on the directory right now. So let's install this stuffs, these two node mailer. We have to install the npm package. So install this one also. So this is installed. Okay, so let's go step by step the things. Okay, so here we need to go with the, we have to use this one. So after this, first of all we have to configure the app module.ts part, right? So this is app module.ts. We need to copy this and go to our app module.ts file. So let me go with opening with this code editor. Okay, so here we have the source, we have a app module.ts. So here we have to add our logic. So here you can see that, so mail controller we haven't used, and the mail service we are not using is, so remove this one. Okay, so controllers, mail controller we don't require right now, and mail service we are not using. Okay, so this is node nestjs modules mailer. Okay, so here we are importing that module with the transport. We here you need to pass the host, and these are the user credentials you need to pass it over here, right? So you can add it over here. Okay, so here we have a controller, that is app controller I'm using, and provider is app service. Okay, so this is the basic of the app module.ts. Moving to the next, we are using the, after this we need a controller, right? So here we need to create a function, so let's create that function also. So here we have the controller code. This is service part. Okay, this is controller, app controller. So I'm going to copy this and add this over here. Okay, so paste this. Send mail function in app service, it's not created, right? So we need to create the send mail function over here. So here we go with the send mail function. So let me copy and paste this one. Okay, so copy and paste, go to the app service, and here we need to create a send mail function. Now the error gone, so you can see that send mail function. So here we have the two, from, subject, test, and this. So here I'm going to just add my email address right now, or any test email, question90@mailinator.com, and here also I can add Rajni, and here we can say that Rajni 901 1 @mailinator.com, mailinator.com. Okay, so this is a basic HTML file that is bold welcome to the email, sending email via nest.js node mailer, right? So we have added this one HTML. So send mail function, this is a mailer service which we have added using the nest.js module mailer. Okay, mailer service, and this is a send mail function. This is app controller where we are this dot app service, because in app service we have a function send mail. right? So you have to include this one. So controller, then we have a service, then in the main module we have include the SMTP imports, right? So this is done, everything is done, sorted, and we have already configured the user and the password. The host service is okay. So let's run and check. So nest start, by default route is basically slash, okay, app controller by default slash. So we are going to hit that one, and we have to open the which email address we have added, rajni90 at the mailinator.com. So we have to open the rajni90 mailinator. Okay, so here we can go with the mailinator. It will take I think, I don't know, so let me open the port. So here we have rajni 90. Okay, let's open it. Okay, so there is no email right now, so we are opening with the localhost. Then we go with 3000, enter, and let's see the mail is saving or not. Public inbox, you can see that public inbox, mss, you can see that. Okay, welcome to the sending email via node.js mailer, you can see that, right? What we have written over here, where it is welcome to the node.js. You can see that now we are able to receive, send the emails via the node.js using the nest.js. Any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. In the coming videos we are going to learn how to send emails via sending the through the email templates, and the second one, that is attachments also. So these two things are coming up in the later videos. Thank you so much. Keep supporting me. Thank you so much. Have a great day.